Before we head inside, let me show you one of Midtown Phoenix's hidden gems. We're here in Park North, a gated mid-century modern community that's just minutes from Park Central, the Clarendon Hotel, incredible restaurants, local coffee shops, and the light rail. Now, let's go take a look inside. As soon as you walk through the front door, you'll notice this home has a completely different feel than your average townhome. Right away, you're welcomed into this bright and inviting living room. Off to the side is the first of two spacious outside patios. The first thing that catches your eye is this beautiful linear fireplace. It gives the room such a warm, cozy feeling and creates the perfect focal point for the entire space. I also love how open everything feels. Even though this home offers nearly 1,600 square feet, the layout makes it feel even larger because each room flows effortlessly into the next. As we continue through the home, take a look underneath the staircase. Instead of wasted space, the owners created this custom built-in bar. It's such a fun feature for entertaining guests, displaying your favorite bottles, or even creating your own coffee station. Right behind us is a cozy sitting area that's perfect for gatherings or simply relaxing with a cup of coffee. Just beyond that is the dining area. It's perfectly positioned between the living room and kitchen, making it easy to host family dinners, holiday gatherings, or casual nights with friends. Just off the dining area, you'll find an additional storage closet currently being used as the pantry. You can never have too much storage, and this is a great bonus feature. Here's another view of the dining area as it flows seamlessly into the kitchen and back over to the living room. You can really tell how open this home feels. One thing I really love is how connected these spaces feel. It creates a great balance between defined rooms while still maintaining that open concept feel. Now let's check out the kitchen. This is definitely one of my favorite spaces in the home. You'll find beautiful quartz countertops, crisp white cabinetry with crown molding, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, plenty of storage, and a large island that's perfect for meal prep or gathering around while entertaining. One detail I really appreciate is that the kitchen overlooks your private courtyard. Instead of looking at a wall while you're cooking, you get natural light and a view outside, which makes the whole space feel even more open. As we make our way over here, you'll find a second private patio that offers plenty of shade and space. There's also an incredible amount of cabinet space throughout the kitchen, so it's just as functional as it is beautiful. Just off the kitchen is the laundry room. Even this space was thoughtfully designed. You'll find custom cabinetry, a utility sink that can also double as a small dog wash, a convenient half bath, and plenty of storage to keep everything organized. One feature I always appreciate is having a half bath downstairs, making it easy and convenient for guests. Now let's head back this way because I wanted to give you one more look at that patio off the kitchen before we head upstairs. I also love that the washer and dryer are stacked. It's a smart design choice that really opens up the laundry room and gives you even more usable space. As we make our way back through the kitchen, you can really appreciate how seamlessly the indoor and outdoor spaces come together. This second patio adds even more room to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the privacy and shade. Now let's step outside. This private courtyard is the perfect extension of the home. There's enough space for outdoor dining, relaxing with a cup of coffee, or spending an evening with friends, while still being incredibly easy to maintain. Now let's head upstairs. One thing I really like about this layout is that all three bedrooms are located on the second floor, giving you a nice separation between the main living areas downstairs and the more private spaces upstairs. The open riser staircase serves as a beautiful focal point, adding character and complementing the home's mid-century modern. As we reach the landing, you'll notice this flexible bonus space. The current owners have it set up as a home office, but it could easily become a reading nook, homework station, or whatever best fits your lifestyle. You'll also find another closet behind the desk, perfect for a little extra storage. Now let's make our way into the primary bedroom. Welcome to the primary suite. This room is bright, inviting, and offers plenty of space for a king-size bed along with additional furniture, creating a comfortable retreat at the end of the day. As we continue through, you'll find a spacious walk-in closet with plenty of room for your wardrobe and extra storage. The ensuite bathroom is both functional and inviting, featuring dual vanities that make everyday routines a little more convenient. The beautifully updated walk-in shower brings a modern touch and helps create a bright, refreshed feel throughout the space. To top it all off, the toilet is tucked away in its own private room, adding a little extra privacy while keeping the bathroom feeling open and comfortable. Now, coming around back to the bedroom, you'll notice your own private covered balcony, the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee, read a book, or simply relax and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. One of my favorite features of the primary suite is the private covered balcony. The covered design keeps this space comfortably shaded, making it the perfect place to enjoy Arizona's beautiful weather. From here, you'll have peaceful views of the neighboring buildings and mature trees. Even though you're just minutes from shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences, this space feels surprisingly quiet and peaceful. As we step back inside, take one more look at this beautiful primary suite. Between the spacious layout, private balcony, walk-in closet, and updated ensuite bathroom, it's a space that's both comfortable and inviting. Now let's make our way down the hall. The first thing you'll notice is the guest bathroom on your right. It's generously sized and features a convenient shower and tub combination, making it a great setup for family, guests, or anyone who enjoys the flexibility of having both. Just across the hall are the two secondary bedrooms. Both are comfortably sized and filled with natural light, especially when you open the windows to let in the fresh air. One of my favorite features is the view from each room. They overlook the community pool along with the beautifully maintained walkways and mature greenery that make this community feel so peaceful. Whether these rooms are used as guest bedrooms, a home office, or a hobby space, they offer a bright, welcoming atmosphere and a view that's hard to beat. As we wrap up our tour, it's easy to see what makes this home so special. From the spacious layout and thoughtful updates to the private balcony and two inviting patios, this home offers a comfortable, low-maintenance lifestyle with plenty of room to relax and enjoy. One of the biggest highlights is the community itself. Park North is known for its beautifully maintained grounds, mature trees, lush green spaces, and peaceful walking paths that create a quiet retreat right in the middle of the city. Residents also enjoy a sparkling community pool and a welcoming atmosphere that makes coming home feel like a getaway. And the location is hard to beat. Situated in the heart of Central Phoenix, you're just minutes from local restaurants, coffee shops, parks, shopping, and some of the city's best entertainment. With quick access to downtown Phoenix, uptown, the Biltmore area, and major freeways. It truly offers the perfect balance of convenience and tranquility. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of 500 West Clarendon Avenue, Unit A4. If you'd like to schedule a private showing or have any questions about the home or the community, I'd love to help.